So if you're wondering why there's so many people around here, it's because we're really close to the border. So I'm here in Quentin, what's next for us?
I think we need to go check Macau border. I haven't been over there in quite a while. It's straight down the street here, and that's why all the crowds are coming in. People are getting off work, coming over to Macau to have fun, and then people are getting off work and going back to Zhuhai to go home and see their families after a week of work over working on the casinos and stuff.
Let's check it out.
Let's do it.
Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. All right, so let's go hit this street.
Yeah, everybody's trying to get back home, man.
That's right. It's Saturday night.
Saturday night.
And actually, sometimes people in Macau, they want to go over there on a Saturday night too.
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Yeah, actually, for the YouTube sake, Zhuhai is a lot cheaper than Macau, so a lot of, especially young people, they'll go there and there's more bars that are way more affordable than Macau, so it's can be quite lively for nightlife.
And shopping as well too.
Shopping number one, yeah. Yeah, everything there is like a fraction of the price of here. And what we're going to see down this street is we're going to see some commerce, some people that are bringing stuff back and forth. We'll see people rearranging their suitcases.
Yes. And in massive amounts of baby powder and formula.
Baby powder,
because it's actually baby formula is cheaper here. And also I think they can get more than they in the mainland. You're only allowed a certain number of cans. Whereas here, I think you're allowed like, I don't know, 4 or 7 cans.
Speaking of which,
something like that.
Sometimes when I look down these side streets, I sometimes I'll see a lot of like activities like that too. Where like I don't know what they're getting, but there's like just masses of people.
Baby formula right there.
There it is. So there's baby formula right there. Oh, that looks like that's probably baby formula, and this is a lot of times they'll also come and get wine.
That's what I was just saying. The baby formula is right by the border as well too.
Yeah.
Nail on the head.
Nail on the head. Yeah, I feel like these whole side streets, there's a lot of like that commerce going on. So we'll probably see some more. I think we're gonna see some more right here. Let me just see. So I think this is all commerce of some kind. I think this one they're getting wine, so a lot of times they'll also get a lot of wine too.
Cognac and Hennessy is a big thing too. Yeah, it's cheaper.
And there's like, some people are stacking up all the way. Yeah, and you'll see like people stocking their suitcases. They're getting like all these bags, more bags. So it's just kind of full on. So they're usually trying to get it just right. Let me make sure I don't lose Quentin here. See where he is real quick. You're surprisingly not so visible.
Right, I blend in a little bit.
Yeah, so, somehow it's
for
like
a white guy.
I don't know why that is. Usually
I couldn't find you for a second either. It's like, oh, where'd he go, man?
It's weird because usually if I'm with another foreigner, like I just see him a mile away.
I know, especially being bearded and stuff, as well.
Yeah, like what is that today? That's
well, there's just so many people. I think we just kind of blend into the sea of bodies. I think.
I think you might be right.
More or less.
So yeah,
wow,
we got.
I haven't been down here in ages, man.
Yeah.
Ages.
Yeah, I think right in this area, usually I'll see people selling cigarettes. So I think they do a little e-commerce.
Oh yeah.
And then yeah, all these ones like this pharmacy, people are just pouring in and out of there. Some people hanging out drinking beer. That looks like fun.
We need to open up a pharmacy here and make a cash load of money, my friend.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the other thing too. It's amazing how many pharmacies there are, right?
Oh, this would be the perfect place.
Yeah.
You know, stock up on baby formula and things like that, and you'd be good to go, right?
Yep. And so you can see a pharmacy there, a pharmacy there, a pharmacy there. There's 3 right together. The supermarkets will have a lot of stuff. There's another pharmacy right there.
I mean, let's be honest, this doesn't feel like Macau at all.
Yeah, it feels like we're in the mainland.
China.
Yeah, I feel that way too. We got more. Just kind of look over a little bit. So yeah, they're selling wine over there. There's more wine, so the wine is another big item as well.
Pickpockets as well, bud.
Yeah, actually, this camera usually I'll wrap it with a string.
Be careful. I'm glad my stuff is around my shoulders and stuff.
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna have to hold on that tight. I could get a string, but
you never know, man.
Yeah.
They're pretty good. They're quick and they're fast, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Somebody knows what they're doing. They can Okay. So we're coming right up to the border here. We got Chigadas. These are departures, and these are well, these say that says departures. This is arrivals, but they're actually arriving this way, coming in.
Well, I haven't been here.
Just do a little 360 here. Kind of capturing the whole scene. So yeah, this is the border between Macau and China, and yeah, I don't know how many people would come through. I think sometimes it'll be like
a lot.
A lot.
A lot, I would say. Especially now that everything's opened up.
Yeah.
I'm sure drastically the numbers of increase.
We just kind of come right up to the middle here. So yeah, you can see all these people coming this way. They're all going into mainland China, and then this is kind of a flow that's all coming in to Macau. So you got a ton of people. Then way in the distance you can see part of Zhuhai, China. So that's a clock right over there, right there, and some hotels, some other hotels over there too. So yeah, there's the L Hotel. So all those hotels you just cross over. It doesn't take very long at all. Well, depends. That's debatable. So anyways, that's the border. Wow. Man, if you could stand somewhere and capture that seat, that floor of people coming in like that sea of people.
Yeah, I just did. I'm gonna do a little bit more though. I'm just gonna chill out for a bit and get a few shots, man.
Okay, I'm gonna go directly into that crowd and I'll just get you back in a little bit.
Sure.
So we're just gonna go directly in with the camera up. Just try to capture this. Yeah, this is the border right here. All right. So the border to China right here. Pretty cool. And we're gonna end this video, but that's what it looks like on a Saturday evening. Maybe we'll just come back the same way like that again. All right. So there we go. We'll end this video right here. Actually, we'll just go directly towards Quentin because he has his camera, so it'll be a pretty good shot.
That was kind of fun, man. Look at all the people. They're all coming back. And back across the border. Looks like there's a lot. Looks like about an equal number of people, man. Well, probably more going back to Zhuhai. It looks like, probably because work is just finished. It's Saturday. Tomorrow's Sunday. It's family day. in Asia, across, you know, all of Asia's Family Day Sunday. So whether you're in Southeast Asia in Thailand, whether you're up in Korea or Japan, or you're here in China or Macau and Hong Kong, Sunday is a day for families. So that's what they're doing.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.